Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about consumption, aggregate demand and autonomous spending. Now we've studied that C is equal to autonomous C plus Cy previously, right? But it is very important to understand that this Y is not always available or we cannot use it fully, right? We have to make some portions out of it which is definitely very necessary, and after that what is left is what we consume, okay? So that left income is called disposable income. Okay. Now disposable income can be denoted or represented as YD, which equals to Y minus TA plus TR, where your Y is income that you received, TR is transfer revenue which you received from government, and TA is the amount of tax that you pay. So it is important for you to pay tax out of your income, right? You cannot spend your entire income on something and then forget to pay your tax. You'll have to pay tax, in fact, in the very beginning. Also, you can add your transfer revenue which you may receive from the government. So your YD becomes Y plus TR minus TA. Now applying to the consumption function, earlier what we had at Y will now become as YD, because you can only consume part of your left income, right? So now replacing the value of YD, we have yes. Now if we write our demand function, which was AD is equal to C plus I plus G plus NX, we can replace the value of C with this now. So AD is equal to CY plus TR minus TA plus I plus G plus NX. And for simplification of these calculations, we assume that TR, TA, I, G and NX are constant. Okay. So if we multiply or bring out these terms out of their brackets, we get if we multiply all the elements, we get yes. Now bringing all these constant or exogenous, these barred items are exogenous, which means that they do not depend on any other factor. They are independent variables. So C plus CTR plus minus CTA plus I plus G plus NX can be equated to this A. Okay, autonomous A. So AD is equal to A plus CY, right? We can reduce it. So this is our aggregate demand function. Now in our next video, we'll be talking about equilibrium income and output and understand it with the help of a graph. Thank you.